Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon.
Yes, they were. And what convinced me of that is all of the human activity, especially amongst the what I mean when I say that the humans were created to be crash test dummies, they are created to be disposable. Their lives are very much disposable. All right, why? Because they're artificial, and Ahmen created them to be as such. I was convinced of that by looking at the activity of these humans and the stuff they do. You could tell they don't really value life, especially not their own. They really don't value life. You look at the stuff they do that they consider to be fun, you know, being the thrill seekers that they are. I was watching this movie the other night. Me and my Ron, we was watching this movie the other night called Fall. And it was basically about these two cave females, these two cave women climbing up a damn satellite, some kind of tower, some kind of TV tower, 2,000 feet, you know, because they do stuff like that. The movie started off with them climbing up a damn mountain, right? And they hanging off the side of the mountain. Now, their only support for climbing up this mountain is this little metal rig thing which they got to stick into the rock every time they climb up each thing. That's what hold them up. Now, if the rock doesn't support it, the rock just happen to break loose and whatnot, they'll fall to their death. They are thousands of feet in the air, and they just hanging off to the sides. And I'm like, they find that to be exciting. I'm saying this because you need to know the type of people that you're dealing with. They're reckless, exactly, very reckless people. So you really need to know what you're around, that you're around people who are mentally ill. Because anybody who, you know, does do the things they do, the activities they do, lets you know they're not mentally stable. Anybody that would get in a damn raft and go down some rushing river somewhere to where you could bust your damn head open, end up on the rock somewhere, dead as hell. If they call that white water rafting, you crazy as hell.
For the complete broadcast, you're gonna have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic.
Subscribe to Ethnic American Channel with Sister Enra Vendetta. That's our channel, the Ethnic American Channel.
And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with NUBEN MENKARAYZZ.